Washington E. Poster, #VE Farias, message, Veriferas, Carrick Veriferas. Verifraws of the New York State Judge Attorney General Letitia James published an order against the former President Donald Trump and the family and undergraduate company, which prevented the transfer of any of the assets of the former president or company without notification. Court and Attorney General. On Thursday, the New York District Supreme Court Justice Arthur Engoron also requested Ms. James to supervise the compliance with the order of selection of suggestions by Mrs. James and Trump. Hakeem said that a preliminary decision was made to ensure that the defendants do not disperse their existence or transfer them from this field of judiciary. OG aims to ensure that the defendants transfer any material existence in a non-party subsidiary or to ensure that the court does not have approval. If the defendants believe that they have a legitimate reason to do this, they can apply to this court for permission. In the absence of a precautionary measure and the defendants tend to enter the permanent, such a precautionary decision is not to be given excessive prejudice to the people of New York. In addition, the help sought is to prevent illegal behavior and to ensure that funds are present for potential poverty at the end of this case. The decision means that Mr. Trump and his companies should provide the monitor assigned by the court, Trump Organization, subsidiaries and all other affiliated organizations, or any planned or expected reconstruction or any plan with any plan or any plan. Elimination of important Trump Organization assets or important liquidity. Mr. Trump and his common defendants were ordered to provide a complete and accurate definition of Trump Organization, subsidiaries and all other subsidiaries and non-liquid holdings and existence of non-liquid and liquid holdings and assets in the next 2 weeks. According to his 11-page view and order, Mr. Engoron wrote that the naming of such a monitor was the most prudent and narrow, named mechanism to avoid more or illegal. The James case was described as Kendi considering the permanent false statements of Mr. Trump, financial status statements, between 2011 to 2021. In September, Mrs. James filed a lawsuit against a $250 million lawsuit against a 3-year civilian investigation on allegations, a series of 3 largest adult children and a series of companies, organizations, and people associated with anonymous real estate and undergraduate business. The New York chief public prosecutor claimed that the former president and the business empire incorrectly inflate the value of billions of dollars of net value of billions of dollars in order to obtain tax aid and other benefits from insurance companies and financial institutions. In a statement, James said that the judge's decision would be Donald Trump and his companies will not be able to continue the comprehensive we have revealed and that an independent monitor to control compliance with the Trump Organization. No case, delay tactics or threats that cannot stop our search for justice will not stop us from stopping our search for justice, he added. The court victory for the chief public prosecutor came only 1 day after he claimed that he had filed a lawsuit against him to prevent him from obtaining information about the cancelled confidence, which holds most of Mr. Trump's assets and, relentlessly, harmful, pursuant to the public, and the unapologist crusade against him. Crooked and extremely partisan James now thinks that the New York province is to pursue my cancelable confidence and look at my private real estate plan, just to look for me, my family, my works and my reckless injury. Tens of millions of supporters. In a statement published by the Political Action Committee, legal experts said that the case filed in a Florida state court is meaningless and would probably be rejected.